Demystifying the Doordash Red Card. Your guide in 5 minutes. What is it? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common Doordash question. What exactly is a Doordash Red Card? Whether you're a seasoned Dasher or just starting out, this video will shed light on this mysterious red companion. So, grab your phone, and buckle up for a quick and informative ride. The Doordash Red Card explained. Let's cut to the chase. The Doordash Red Card is a prepaid debit card specifically issued to Dashers. It's used for certain delivery types, including shop and deliver orders and restaurant orders where the customer has already paid DoorDash, but the restaurant requires payment upon pickup. Here's the breakdown. Shop and deliver orders. Unlike regular restaurant pickups, shop and deliver orders require you to shop for items at grocery or convenience stores to fulfill the customer's order. Restaurant orders requiring payment. In some cases, restaurants might require payment upon pickup even though the customer has already paid DoorDash. This is where the Red Card comes in handy. The Red Card, your shopping and payment buddy. So, how does the Red Card come into play? Here's the magic. Automatic funding. When you accept a shop and deliver order or an order requiring Red Card payment at the restaurant, the DoorDash app automatically adds the required amount to your Red Card. This amount comes from the customer's prepayment. Safe and secure transactions. At the store checkout, for shop and deliver or restaurant counter, simply swipe or tap your Red Card to pay for the customer's items. It's a secure and convenient way to handle the transaction. No personal funds involved. Remember, this is a prepaid card funded by DoorDash for that specific order. You don't use your own money. Red Card. Not for everything. Now, it's important to understand that the Red Card isn't for all DoorDash deliveries. Here's the breakdown. Red Card required. This card is necessary for shop and deliver orders and some restaurant orders where the customer has prepaid but the restaurant requires payment upon pickup. The DoorDash app will clearly indicate this in the order details. Regular deliveries. For standard deliveries from restaurants where the customer has already paid for their food, you won't need the Red Card. You'll simply pick it up and deliver it. The DoorDash app clearly indicates whether an order requires the Red Card, so you'll always know beforehand. Keeping your Red Card safe. Since the Red Card holds funds for customer orders, it's crucial to treat it responsibly. Store it securely. Keep your Red Card in a safe place, just like any debit card. Report loss immediately. If you lose your Red Card, contact DoorDash support right away to deactivate it and prevent misuse. Doordash Red Card, a handy tool. The Doordash Red Card might seem like a small piece of plastic, but it unlocks a whole new world of delivery opportunities. By understanding its purpose and using it responsibly, you can expand your earnings potential with shop and deliver orders and navigate certain restaurant pickup procedures. Remember, the Red Card is there to simplify your deliveries, not add extra hassle. So, the mystery of the Doordash Red Card is solved. It's a prepaid debit card used for shop and deliver orders and some restaurant orders where the customer has prepaid but payment is required upon pickup. Do you have any questions about the Doordash Red Card or shop and deliver orders? Leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more informative Doordash content, and hit that notification bell to stay